Okay guys, I wanted to show you inside this Airbnb in Pasay City, really close to Star City. Actually, it's right across the street, but anyways, it's really small. There's the kitchen area. We have a stove here. Let's see what they provide here. We have a rice cooker, some pots and pans on this side, and we've got some mug utensils, plates, bowls, and glasses right here. There is a microwave, hot pot, and a nice little refrigerator. Okay, and over here, once you walk in to your left, there is the bathroom, CR, with a washing machine, it looks like. Okay. And looks like there's a heater there for hot water, so you got hot showers here, guys. So that is the CR, and check this out there. They provide you with the essentials: toiletries, toothpaste, soap, and shampoo. Okay. And then let's go over here to the second door on your left is the bedroom. Okay. That's the bedroom. Looks like it's a double, guys. Okay. Looks like a double. And there's some storage here to your right. Okay, so, and if you look, it's kind of partitioned, separate from the main room. All right. And of course, there is, very important, AC, which you can see right there. All right, and then of course there's a table. Right now it's pretty much my office. I'm doing some work. There's some storage, more storage right here, guys, and then I believe there's an ironing board and an iron. Yep. Okay. And then this is the main room here. You got TV, Netflix, YouTube. It's a smart TV, guys. Okay. And there's the router, the Wi-Fi. And this is a sofa couch. So it doesn't pull out, but the bottom part here pulls out like that. Okay, so I think this Airbnb, about four people. This Airbnb can accommodate 4 people. Let me see if I can change the angle. Here's a wide angle, so you can kind of see everything here. Wide angle. All right. First, there is a back patio. So it's nighttime right now, guys. But there's Star City over there. That's Roxas Boulevard. This is your back patio. And I'll show you guys how it looks during the daytime when I wake up in the morning. Okay, guys? What I'll do is I will put a link to the Airbnb in the bottom of this video, just in case you guys are interested in getting an Airbnb somewhere in Pasay City. That's kind of close to the airport, Manila, Dolomite Beach, Star City, Mall of Asia, all those places. Okay, so if you're looking for an Airbnb that's nice, decent Wi-Fi, then check out the link below.